Next Apple product we'll probably see is this 12.9-inch iPad Pro with a newly rumored mini LED display. This is a display that's easier to make, supposedly, than OLED. However, features some of the same attributes when it comes to image quality and deep blacks, rich colors, and all the usual OLED talking points are supposedly in here to a certain degree, and with a higher yield from a production perspective, meaning that they can purchase these displays from a wider variety of suppliers, a type of variety a company like Apple would need to deliver the volume they're used to delivering. So previously, people expected this device to come at some point in 2021. This new report suggests it will be in the first quarter of 2021, so very soon. Just to let you know, Will, that starts on January 1st.
Well, that's exciting.
Yeah, that will be the first quarter of 2021.
Mini LEDs.
So you might see this mini LED device very soon. Interestingly, the report does not mention the 11-inch iPad Pro. Do they get rid of the 11-inch iPad Pro? Possibly because they put out that iPad Air, which kind of fits in there. And then do you really need it? It's a lot of overlap from a performance perspective as far as those two are concerned. I like the 11-inch actually out of the two, particularly for using it in iPad-only mode, not in laptop weird docking thing mode. But in iPad-only mode, it's a little lighter, a little more comfy. It's a personal preference type of thing. But yeah, foregoing OLED and jumping right over to mini LED, we'll see if they reach first quarter. If so, that's likely your next Apple product launch.